sweet and sour. Any kind of fish can do. In my dish I'm using tilapia. Oil. Garlic, onion, red capsicum, ginger, celery stalk, and leaves. Carrots, potato, black pepper, tomato sauce, pineapple chunks, and salt. Vinegar and cornstarch. In a pan let's fry the carrots and potato, then set aside.
Wonder why I put potato, wala lang gusto ko eh? Next pritchahin na yung tilapia, kung hindi ka marunong magprito, problema mo na yan. Set aside huwag kang kukurit sa tilapia.
Then sautéed all the aromatics except celery leaves.
Why? Kasi sa last ko siya ilalagay.
Let's add tomato paste and pineapple chunks. Naglagay din akong water, salt and pepper. Then add suka. Timplahan according sa panlasa. Add the slurry mikas at takpan.
Gudam kana lagay mo na yung tilapia.
Saka young fried carrots at potato. Add the celery leaves and let it simmer.